Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan hima.
Kasanggita mara kalayo ra ekana Miss Vogue Star India Arajar Arpulai kabala penlong lai sngilenter Rajasthan. Kasanggita gade kabasyong basa harinja perkalalit bani shimenta haga Vogue Star Miss but Mrs India Arajar Arpulai ha kabahadian gajing syak pentebet da bun benai ka Vogue Star kalajit ikinong job mat kasanggita ru kalalong kawen igini ginong job ha kasingkhadu. Lasengnya ka Vogue Star da ka Kirti Chaudhary ha ka bakalawan rae ka ni karensan na ka bentaban aila di hi kenthai ban penpau ya la di ha ka imlang ka salang bat kumju ru kalat ban krenshai klem kanu ka jingkhang lat.
Like, if you have the passion, like you can create anything out of anything. Like you can get the inspiration from the nature, you can get the inspiration from anything that like you come across, and then you can create something like unique. Like fashion is all about passion and creativity. It comes from within. Like if you are willing to work hard, then nothing is impossible. So like same goes for fashion also. It correlates with fashion and beauty pageant also. It correlates with beauty pageant. Achievement out here, but then I would say I would like to say some few things about her. I've known her from a few years back. But then, I'd say, her confidence and grace has made her win this competition. Actually, she is a mother of two and a working woman, but that didn't stop her from exploring things in her life. And then she always lives her life to the fullest, and then, she doesn't confine her. She doesn't. As a woman, we women are confined to many responsibilities, and we stop ourselves from going forward in our irrespective of our career or our passion. But then, she is the true inspiration for us, for the women as a whole.
For this lovely moment, I'm Sangeeta Marak, as my friend has just introduced. There was this pageant called Miss and Mrs. Vogue Star, which was held in Jaipur on the 14th, 15th and 16th. It was a 3-day extravaganza, and they started this entire process in the month of sometime in January. So they held an online audition. This entire thing was held virtually actually. So it was an online audition, and I cleared the auditions. And after that, our grooming and training sessions began. And as an individual, I learned a lot of things through this pageant. It's not just a pageant, but a learning process. I believe learning never stops. So whenever we get any opportunity to learn and hone our skills and create unique identities for ourselves, I think we should just go ahead. Be it a pageant, be it any experience for that matter. So as a person, I was always inclined to beauty and fashion. As women, we all love anything that has to do with beauty and fashion. So obviously when I came across this platform online, I just went for it and I registered myself, and the rest is history. I learned a lot of things. There were plenty of experts in the team who gave us training on communication skills, makeup, ramp walk, fashion. This entire process has taught me how to love myself, how to take care of myself, and how to be self-confident. And Vogue Star is a platform for women, by the women. And they're not looking for physical attributes. Kirti Chaudhary has basically broken the norms of stereotypes that whereby in pageants they look for a certain height, a certain shape, a certain figure. But she's broken all that, and she's given opportunities to ordinary women like me to fulfill extraordinary dreams. And I'm one of them. I'm an example, and I'm absolutely proud to represent my beautiful city, Shillong, and go out there in Jaipur, be a part of this entire event, entire experience, and win the crown and come back happy and proud. I'm very happy, not just for my community, but for our other communities in Meghalaya. I'm happy to have represented our other communities like our Khasi community, Jaintia, Garo. I'm happy to be a permanent resident of Meghalaya and to have gone out there and gained an experience, come back as a winner, as a city winner. It's really an achievement for me, and I wanted to share this experience and this achievement with everybody, with the masses. Is to if women come to me and ask me things, then I'll definitely be there, inspiring. Shillong, our state as a whole, has a lot of beauty, a lot of women who are really, really beautiful. So I think I can be an inspiration to everybody, in fact mothers or girls who are single, that if I can do it, if I can go out there and win the crown for my city, you can do too. So nothing is impossible basically. It's all about building our confidence, going out there and competing, and not just sitting back and thinking that no, I cannot do, or I can't do this, it's impossible. I believe nothing is impossible. We just have to go out there and be adventurous and just be ourselves, just be happy, as long as what we are doing is not harming anybody. I think we have the right as human beings to be happy and to make our city proud, to make our families proud, and that's what I've done for my family, for my city. I'm very happy to have been selected as Miss Vogue Star India 2023. It was held in one of the best resorts in India, Le Méridien Resort and Spa Jaipur, 3-day extravaganza, and I got to meet a lot of people. I met all the professionals who trained us during this entire event. They trained us on various disciplines. I got to meet them personally, take photos, and learn a lot from them. And as a woman, I'm a single mom, and I believe being a single mom, I have a lot of responsibilities as a mother towards my family. But then I thought, life doesn't end there. We cannot just confine ourselves to family responsibilities. If we get opportunities, I think we should go out there and discover ourselves. And unless we do it, we wouldn't know what are our capabilities. So this is the reason why when I came across the registrations, I just went for it. And my mother has been my biggest support system. She's always been there looking after my children whenever I needed to go out, or in fact whenever I go out anywhere, she's always been there supporting me, my every move, anything that I want to do. So this entire pageant and experience is all about being ourselves. As a woman, the most beautiful thing as a woman is to be able to be ourselves and not having to be answerable to anybody, but just being able to do our own thing and be ourselves and do what we like and just be happy.